Statement of Changes in Stockholders Equity, an engaging dive for CMA Part 1 candidates. Picture this. You're watching a gripping drama series on your favorite streaming platform. Each character represents a different component of a company's equity. The storyline revolves around the complex relationships and events that affect these characters and, consequently, the company's total equity. This is the essence of the Statement of Changes in Stockholders Equity. It's not just numbers and accounts, it's a narrative of a company's financial journey. Main characters. 1. Common stock. The steady protagonist, representing owners who've purchased shares. Always on the front line, representing the initial capital of our story. 2. Retained earnings. The mysterious character, holding on to the company's past profits and losses, revealing tales of the company's historical financial performance. 3. Additional paid-in capital, APIC, the supporter, capturing the premium paid by shareholders over the par value. 4. Treasury stock, the antagonist, representing company shares that have been bought back. It's like a character that left the show but can always return. 5. Other comprehensive income, the side stories. It includes unrealized gains and losses, foreign currency translation adjustments, etc. Not affecting the main plot, net income, but essential to the overall story. Plot points. Throughout the financial year, or season of our show, various events take place. 1. Issuance of shares. New characters, shares, are introduced into the story. Common stock and APIC might increase. 2. Dividends. A plot twist. The company decides to give back to its shareholders. Retained earnings decrease. 3. Net income or loss. The climax of the season. Successes increase retained earnings, while failures lead to a decrease. 4. Purchase or sale of treasury stock, the drama. Characters, shares, might leave or re-enter our story. 5. Other comprehensive income items. Side stories affecting the company's total equity but not the main plot. The finale. By the end of the season, financial year, our Statement of Changes in Stockholders Equity provides a complete overview. It sums up all plot twists, reveals, and side stories. And like binge watching the entire season, a glance at this statement tells you everything about the company's equity journey in that period. Takeaways for CMA candidates. Understanding the Statement of Changes in Stockholders Equity is like dissecting the plot of a drama series. Each element tells a unique part of the company's equity tale. As future CMAs, when you view this statement, see beyond the numbers. Dive deep into the story, anticipate the next moves, and leverage this knowledge to make informed decisions. Now, when you sit for your CMA exam, and you come across a question about this statement, think of the drama series analogy. It will not only make the topic more memorable but also way more engaging.